Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in with an account that has administrative rights. This is required to change another user's RDP password. Once connected over RDP, make sure you can access the security options. Use Ctrl+Alt+End if you're remote. You don't want to be locked out. Therefore, verify you have the current password and an alternate admin session or console access. This reduces risk when you update credentials because you can immediately regain control if something goes wrong. Now change the password. Open Server Manager or run Component. MSC and navigate to local users and groups. Right-click the user you need to update and choose Set Password. Proceed through the warning and enter a strong, compliant password. If the account is a domain account, instead open Active Directory users and computers and reset there. This propagates to authentication servers. Make sure the new password meets group policy complexity. Otherwise, the change will fail and the user cannot log in. Finish by testing. Sign in with the new password from a separate machine or session so you don't lose your admin connection. If the remote login fails, make sure network-level authentication and remote desktop settings still allow the connection, verify firewall rules, and confirm the account isn't locked or disabled. Also check Event Viewer. Look under Security and Remote Desktop Services for logon failures. If you find repeated authentication errors, reset the password again and ensure the client is using the correct username syntax and cached credentials are cleared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.